Guys, in this 2025 guide, I'll show you how to save preset take profit and stop loss levels in TradingView using bracket orders. Perfect for faster trading. First, open TradingView and go to the chart of the asset you want to trade. Click buy or sell to open the order panel. Enable bracket order. This allows you to set both take profit and stop loss in one go. Enter your desired stop loss price to limit risk and your take profit price to lock in profits. Next, click Save as Preset at the bottom of the order panel. Give your preset a name like BTC Bracket or EURUSD TPSL. Now, whenever you place a trade, you can simply select your preset and the TPSL levels with autofill. This saves time and ensures consistency with your trading strategy. You can manage, edit, or delete presets anytime from the order panel settings. And that's how to save preset, take profit, and stop loss levels in TradingView 2025. If this helped you trade smarter, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick trading tutorials.